Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shamik Sajwani and you are watching Upskill Yourself. Recently I've been getting some messages asking how to create a YouTube channel from scratch. Step-by-step guide on what you have to do and how to use the YouTube Studio Creator app. And in this I'm going to explain you everything there is to know step by step. And for this purpose I've also created a new Gmail ID so that I can show you how things will be done. But if you already have a Gmail ID of yours, you can use that to create your channel. But if you want to also create a new one, that is also up to you and you can do that. There is nothing stopping you. So if this video will be getting a bit too long, I might divide it into two parts so that it's easy for you to follow and so that I do not miss out anything from this. And with that, like the video if you find it informative and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is a new Gmail account I'm using to teach you how to create a YouTube channel of your own. So there are two ways to mainly create a channel. Either you can do that by commenting on someone's video. So when you go to someone's channel, let's say if I go to my channel and if I open any of my video, you will see down here if you want to comment, it shows you that by completing this action, you are creating a channel and agree to the YouTube's terms of service. So if you write any comment and drop the comment, then you will be able to create your channel by this way. You can try this right now. You can go over to this video and you can try doing a comment and then your channel will be created. What other way you can try is by going here and clicking create a channel. And this is going to give you this pop-up, your creator journey begins. You can click get started and you can see that if you want to use the name that is on your account or you want to create a custom name. This is for you to decide what suits your needs, what you want to go with. You have some creative idea, some creative name of your own that you want to give it to your brand, that you want to give to your channel, or you just want to use your name and you want to showcase yourself, your talents, then you can go with that as well. So I'm just going to select my name for now. And we're going to move forward from. As soon as this page is loaded, we're going to see this pop-up which shows us that we can now put a picture over here for the channel. As you might have seen on my channel that you see the Upskill Yourself logo. This is you can put over here if you have something created for yourself already. You can add a channel description, the about section, you can add links and everything, and I'll show you how and where these exactly things are found. So I'm going to compare this to my channel so that we can see and look where each thing is going to be found. This profile picture is shown over here, this, and then you have the about section where you will add the description of your channel, what your channel is going to be about, what are you going to share the content related to, and you can find that about my channel as well. If you go to the about section, you're going to see that as well. I have the description written over here clearly. So once that is created, you will be seeing something like this, that your channel is here. This is your channel. Now, how you're going to use this, how this works, it's pretty simple and it's pretty straightforward actually from here. You're going to see the number of subscribers you have written over here. You can customize your channel to whatever you want to. If you want to change, let's say, the profile picture, you want to change the name or anything, you can do all sorts of stuff from here. You can also add this video mark. You can also see on this video at the bottom right corner there is this channel logo, which is the watermark. If you're using it on your PC, if you try to click on it, you'll see the subscribe button there as well. Alright, so now we want to see how to upload the video, how to use the YouTube Studio Creator app, where can you find that YouTube Studio Creator, and how to manage everything on the channel. So if you go over to this icon here, you will see all these features that is provided to you. And in these features, you see the YouTube Studio. You go over to YouTube Studio and this is where all the magic happens. This is where you can control your channel entirely. All the stats, all the analytics will be shown to you over here. So starting from the top row, this is where and how you upload your videos. And you can click on the create option and you will see the upload video option, or you want to go live, you can do that as well. Also, you have these two options here on the bottom as well, and this is where you're supposed to be to upload a video. Then you're going to select a file from here. So I already have this b-roll video created and uploaded on this channel. Now let's just try to upload this video and see how things work from here. You can see the uploading is being done at the bottom here, and while this is happening in the background, you can fill out all these things. You add the title over here, You can add the description over here, and then you can add the thumbnail if you have already created a thumbnail. But if you don't have a thumbnail created of your own, YouTube also provides you 3 screenshots from the video, right? And we see that 95% of that is completed. We will select the playlist from here, what playlist you want to choose. If you don't have a playlist, you can create a playlist from here. Let's say I create a playlist from test playlist, right? And I can, yeah, you can select from here the visibility. You want it to be public, you want it to be private, you want it to be unlisted. So once this playlist is created, we can select this playlist, that this video goes into this playlist. YouTube has provided me with these 3 screenshots from the video. These still shots that YouTube thinks is of high quality and can be used as a thumbnail. And this is honestly very good. I can use this as a thumbnail and it will work. So yeah, this works, and you can see the video link over here. You can get the link from here as well. If you just click it on copy, you can add an end screen, you can add cards, and then you can click next, and now you can select the video. If you want the video to be listed, if you want the video to be unlisted, if you want the video to be private or public. I'm just gonna go with public so that we all can see right now what is happening, and we can publish it right here. All right, so this looks about good to me. And you have this link, you can use this link to share, or you can just close it and you will see, and you can find links from here as well. You can see the get shareable link, you can find that as well. So once you have uploaded a video, this is how it's going to look on your, and you have it on your dashboard. This is how it will look like. You can monitor the number of views, the amount of views you're going to get, the impressions, click-through rate, the average view duration, which is how long the viewers of yours are watching your video, and the higher the numbers, the better they are, Then you can go over to the video analytics, and you can see how the video is performing. Right now it has no views at all. Right now it has no views at all, no amount of hours, no subscribers. So you're seeing nothing over here. But when you start gaining views, when you start gaining subscribers, you will see the graph going up, 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 and up. And then that's how your channel is going to progress. So in this part, we learned how to create the YouTube channel, how to upload a video for yourself, and all the features that you need to keep in mind, how you can upload the picture, how to upload everything. And in the next part, we're going to see all the other features of the YouTube Studio app. And if there's anything that is still left and that you need clarification on, you can always ask me in the comments, or you can ask me on my Instagram. That's been it. So if you like the video, drop a like to it, comment and share, as it really helps me a lot. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.